Yo, check it out. Listen, the wolf is real. Seriously though, I cannot wait. I cannot wait to cut this off though. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. You guys are always on the ground, I tell you. Me and my wife are finna go out and get something to eat. So, did you leave your what?
Your hair. Your hair. I'm just saying. Oh my goodness.
Babe, I'm about to leave my hair out. I'm not about to sit here and be wrapped up all the time. You looking for your purse and your wallet. You're paying? Art thou paying?
Am I paying?
Yes.
I don't know about all that, babe. I'm saving. I told you what I'm about to do with my money.
You ain't got to lie, Craig. You ain't got to lie.
You told me to save it up. I'm saving it. But it's on you. Babe, what car you taking? Your car?
Where to? Yeah, take my car. Did you lock the front door?
I don't know. At the Walmart. Babe, you know what? Ain't nobody got time to try to sneak that look in there. I'm not looking. HustleDreamProduction.
My hair looks crazy. I never go out without a do-rag, honestly. Especially like these days because my hair is so long. I don't be trying to go out like that without my do-rag. So it's the first day. Trying something new. How about that? I'm hungry. I like French toast. But I do have something in the mail though. Let's open it up. See what it is. Ooh. Y'all know how I feel about shoes. These is nice. Check out the other pair here. That fur feels real good too. Like, damn, that's nice. Listen guys, Fonz is technically tripping right now. Fonz is tripping. I'm not feeling the challenges at all. This new challenge he got us doing. He want me to go to the store, grab a bunch of food products to put in my hair. All this nonsense. I'm just not doing it this week. Clearly not doing it this week, and I'm gonna show you guys why. This is why.
Hey,
okay?
yo, man,
this is why.
That's serious, man. You doing the dang thing, man. Don't even
This is why. This is why.
Oh my God!
Damn! This is why. This is getting out of hand. I can't really do too much more to it, okay? So we just gonna bypass this week. I'm not doing nothing crazy, okay? I'm already out here looking crazy. I need a cut. I need a cut. So you guys know that I like getting stuff in the mail, right? So hold on real quick. I got something in the mail, okay? Another pair of shoes.
Another one.
So, okay, let me unbox this. Let me unbox it real quick. This is a lightweight shoe review right now. If you guys were expecting this to be white, yeah, I kind of learned the hard way. It's not white at all. In any way is this white. It's really like it's not even a salt color. It's not like salt. Salt is white. This is like a tan type of bland brown greenish. I don't know the color. It's just real weird. But I like it. It's dope. We got the 3M right here on it. It looked like a Walmart shoe, I'm not gonna lie, but I like Yeezy 700s. Listen, I just got something in the mail.
And another one.
And you guys know how I feel when I just get something in the mail. You know what I mean? It feels great. So, yeah, let's open it up. Let's get to the real meat of the video. Basically, ladies and gentlemen, the Canon EOS R, okay? I ain't saying that.
Yo, why you did sweat, bro?
Why?
Alright, Jay.
Alright.
You don't want to shake my hand.
Okay. Alright.
Sorry. Hold on. Sick.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
I'm sick.
Wow. Alright.
Alright, Jay.
It's time to go home, man. It's time to go home. Oh, I just turned off the car.
Stupid!
It's a push start. Gotta get used to this thing. Alright, you guys, we're on our way home. And yeah, man, I'm gonna start my day off. I really gotta get my hair back right. All these different challenges. Ready? Oh my God! You don't think you need to brush or what?
I'm doing it after I do this.
Okay, all right. All these different things that I'm doing to mess up my hair, man, I really got to get back because this cut is coming up pretty soon, all right? And I'm about to tell you guys who I'm getting my hair cut by because the procrastination has been real. I have been holding out on who is cutting my hair or what I'm doing. So when I get home, I'm gonna spill the beans, let you guys know who's cutting my hair. But yeah, man, these antics on YOFONZZ, listen, this antics on stuff that you're doing, it's gotta stop, man. It's gotta stop. I consider myself an elite waver. I'm gonna tell y'all how to be the best elite waver you could possibly be. I just can't be doing this, you know? Just can't be doing this. So I'll see you guys at home. YouTube, guess what? I said, you know what? Why not hit him up? I think I have his number, but I'm not sure. It's one of those things where, you know what? I might as well hit him up on IG. See if he answers. How about that? Bing. What's good? What's good? I just want to make an appointment. I'm shooting right now, telling the people that you finna be the next person to cut my hair. What's up? You got me or what?
I got you.
You got me. Can you deal? Can you deal with it?
I was. You gonna have to show me this progress. How long have we been waiting for?
Hold on. Let me show you what I'm working with. Hold on. Let me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We working with one of them?
We working with one of these. It's looking real ridiculous right now.
I'm not even gonna lie to you, man. It's a challenge, but I'm willing to try this one. I honestly feel like this might be one of my scariest challenges, all because how long have you been with?
For like 3 months and a half.
3 months and a half.
I mean, dead on, you can't even see my waves right now. You can't even, it's.
That's what I was saying. That's what I was saying. It looks kinda scary right now.
You know what area that you gonna really have to pay attention to though? This crown area.
The crown area.
My crown area.
I told myself personally, if I ever get a chance to cut your hair, when I do get around to the crown area, I'm working that last. I have to work that last.
Right.
I'm going to take every step necessary to try to get this ultimate look. I feel like you got a simple haircut, but I feel like once you explain to me the difference between barber's eye and waver's eye, you literally open my eye up to different haircuts.
Wait a minute, y'all. Did y'all hear the bars? Come on, man. He said there's a difference between a barber's eye and a waver's eye. And I literally opened his eyes up to different haircuts. Come on, man. That's bars.
But now I'm getting somebody with a 720 crown. It goes into a 360, like full head.
Yeah.
This is scary. I've never done this before. But we're war ready. We're war ready.
You gotta let the people know. You gotta let the people know what you finna do.
Just looking at this hair, I'm kind of scared of attacking the hair at that angle. So I'm probably gonna start off with about a 3.
Beam, listen. This is what we doing. Straight up 1.5.
1.5, okay.
1.5. 1.5, 2 on the crown.
1.5, 2 on the crown. I honestly feel like I have to accept this challenge. This is one of those, like, you know, like when a barber feel like, you know, they can see your hair, you know, better than you can, but you're an actual waver and the barber at the same time.
Right.
I'm actually going to, you know, take this consultation and show you guys that people know their own hair. They ask for certain things that they know is going to look a certain way. So we're going to do this 1.5, and we're going to do a 2 on the crown, and we're going to give y'all some amazing content. It's just going to be that.
Listen, y'all heard it here first, all right? Get Beam. It's cutting my hair. It's going down. Let's go! Come on now. What? Get Beam cutting this off? Come on now. Come on. You can't tell me this ain't exciting. You can't tell me this ain't exciting. Come on now. I got a lot of hair on my head, man. I really get Beam. Come on now. We need to really get this off. For real. Like really, seriously. I could braid this. You see me parting right now? I look ridiculous.